Children, now we are going to see about Iron Age or Megalithic period. Iron Age அப்படிங்கிறது இரும்பு காலம். The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Iron Age. Why do we call this age as Iron Age means? The name suggests people used iron technology, so it is called the Iron Age. It preceded the Sangam Age. The Iron Age was a formative period and the foundation for the Sangam Age was laid in this time. Sangam period, நம்ம தமிழ்ல கேள்விப்படுறோம்ல சங்க காலம் அதுதான். During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people and exchange relationship developed among the people. The people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. They used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments. They used shell ornaments and beads. The evidence for the Iron Age is found at many sites including Adichanallur in Thoothukudi district, Salur near Madurandagam and Chittanavasal near Pudukkottai. Megalithic burial sites are found in the whole of Tamil Nadu. Before seeing the megalithic burial types, one thing we want to know, children, that is Lemuria. Lemuria is nothing but the old Tamil people lived. That place is called Lemuria. Now it is submerged into the sea near Kanyakumari. Some researchers relate the origin of the Tamils to the submerged continent of Lemuria. This theory of Lemuria continent was proposed in the 19th century. In the wake of advancements in plate technology theory, differing views are put forth by scholars. The available literary references point to the submergence of areas around Kanyakumari. Some parts of Sri Lanka and Tamil Nadu were connected by land about 5000 years BC. It is possible that some land might have submerged near Kanyakumari and around the coast of India because of the rising sea levels. Underwater surveys are necessary in this area. Now we can see megalithic burial types. The Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burials with large stones for the dead people. Similar burials were also built in the early historic period or the Sangam Age. The Sangam literature mentions the various burial practices of the people. The megalithic burials are classified as dolmens, cysts, menhirs, rock-cut caves, urn burials, and sarcophagus. Dolmens, table-like stone structures, were erected as funerary monuments. Sarcophagi are burial receptacles made of terracotta. Pathholes are holes found in the cyst. They may have acted as the entrance to the burials. There is a view that they were meant for the movement of the soul or spirit. The menhirs may have been erected for the heroes in the Iron Age. The tradition of the hero stone might have begun in the Iron Age or even before. Agriculture and pastoralism. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Millets and rice were cultivated. Irrigation management developed in this period. Since many of the megalithic sites are found nearby rivers and tanks in the deltaic regions, irrigation as a technology had developed. Evidence of rice is seen in the megalithic sites like Adichanallur in Thoothukudi district and Porundal near Palani. Iron Age society and polity. The Iron Age society had farming communities, pastoralists and hunter-gatherers. Craft specialists, potters and blacksmiths were the professionals during this period. The society had several groups of peoples, that is tribes. Pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used the black and red colors to make black ware and red ware pottery. Potteries were used for cooking, storage, and dining purposes. Iron technology and metal tools. The megalithic burials have abundant iron objects placed in the burials as grave goods. Weapons such as swords and daggers, axes, castles, lamps, and tripod stands are also found. Some of these objects were hafted to wooden or bone or horn handles and used. Now that's all the lesson. Now we can recap this. The earliest evidence of humans is available in Tamil Nadu around 2 to 1.5 million years ago. The Middle Paleolithic culture is found in some parts of Tamil Nadu. The Mesolithic people lived in all the areas of Tamil Nadu. Iron tools were used in agriculture. The Iron Age saw further expansion of people in various cultural zones. The foundation of subsequent Sangam Age was laid during this age. That's all this lesson, children. In the next class, we can see the exercise 7.